Hi guys, I'm Jordine and welcome back to Sodwana Bay. Join us as we take a look at the more common rays that we see dwelling in the sand. The blue-spotted ribbon-tail ray, a medium-sized ray, yellowish-brown with its distinctive bright blue spots dotted along its body. It can be found from intertidal shallow zones and lagoons, even reaching depths of 30 meters. They spend most of their day in caves and crevices along the reef, waiting for the evening when they go out to find prey such as crustaceans, worms, and small bottom fish. The round ribbon-tail ray, one of the larger, more common rays that we see dwelling in and on the sand and along the reefs up to 400 meters. Its blotchy, variable coloration and patterns on its body makes it blend in really well with its surroundings. They have a very long ribbon-like tail that sticks out when they lay covered in sand, feeding on crustaceans, small fish and mollusks. Thank you and join us next time as we explore more of our beautiful Sodwana Bay. Subscribe and like for more videos.